Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we're taking our mango smoothie to the next level with flavor combinations, protein boosts, and simple swaps to match your taste and lifestyle. The liquid you choose changes the whole mood of the smoothie. Milk, dairy, gives a mild flavor and smooth texture and works well with vanilla protein. Oat milk is slightly sweet and creamy and great if you want a thicker feel. Coconut milk beverage, the carton kind, has a light coconut taste and blends smoothly. Coconut water is thinner and more refreshing and less creamy. Orange juice is bright and punchy but can push sweetness up fast. For the creamy base, Greek yogurt makes a thick, slightly tangy mango smoothie and adds protein. Regular yogurt gives a softer texture and less tang. Dairy-free yogurt works well if you want a similar thickness without dairy. Banana adds sweetness and body, especially if it's ripe. Avocado adds a velvet texture with almost no extra sweetness. Simple rule: more yogurt or banana for thicker, more liquid for thinner. Step by step, how to blend a mango smoothie that is smooth, not icy or stringy. A great mango smoothie shouldn't feel like crushed ice. It should pour like a milkshake and taste like fruit, not a frozen slush. The method matters as much as the ingredients. Start with basics. Wash fresh fruit. Rinse the blender lid and gasket if needed. Keep dairy cold until you're ready. If you're using frozen fruit, work quickly so it doesn't fall into a sticky clump. Use this flow. Add your liquid first. Add your creamy base such as yogurt, banana, or avocado. Add mango, then ice if using. Blend, then adjust thickness. Taste, then fix sweetness and brightness. Blend times vary by machine. Most smoothies do well with 30 to 60 seconds on high. If you hear the blades struggling or the mix stops moving, pause and stir, or add a small splash of liquid to get things flowing again. If you want a super smooth finish, blend an extra 10 to 15 seconds after it looks done. That final burst helps break down tiny fibers, especially with fresh mango. The best blending order for thick smoothies. Liquids first. Soft ingredients like yogurt, banana, or avocado. Frozen mango and/or ice. Powders such as protein, collagen, or cocoa. Liquids at the bottom help the blades catch right away. Soft ingredients act like a cushion, so frozen fruit doesn't jam. Powders last so they don't stick to the sides and dry pockets. Quick fixes for common smoothie problems. Too thick. Add liquid one splash at a time, then blend briefly. Too thin. Add more frozen mango or add a few spoonfuls of yogurt. Not sweet enough. Use a ripe banana, dates, or a small drizzle of honey. Too sweet. Add lime juice, a spoon of plain yogurt, or a pinch of salt. Gritty or stringy. Blend longer. If needed, strain once and use riper mango next time. Flavor ideas and easy upgrades: protein, fiber, and less sugar. Once you know the formula, you can keep mango as the main flavor while changing the vibe. A small add-in can turn it from a treat to a breakfast that holds you over. Portion note: mango is naturally sweet, and it's easy to pour a giant glass. If you're watching sugar, keep the serving moderate and use yogurt, chia, or nut butter to slow the sweetness down without needing extra sweeteners. 3 flavor combos that always work with mango. Mango plus pineapple plus coconut. Use coconut milk beverage or a spoon of yogurt and add a squeeze of lime. Mango plus strawberry plus yogurt. Tastes like a smoothie shop classic, creamy and bright. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.